Hi guys, today we will show you the 4 planets and also the sun in One Dwarf Planet series. So let's go. So let's go to the sun. The sun is a yellow dwarf. Its mass takes 98% of the solar system mass. Still not impressed? Well, it's so big that you can fit 31 million Earths inside of the sun. Crazy! That's too much Earth. And also, the sun is the hardest thing in the solar system. Whoa, that's way too hard. Yeah, maybe this is why nobody go to the sun for a vacation, right? Yeah, probably. Am I right? I don't know. Anyways, and also I got no idea how to pronounce this game, so yeah. I'm sorry, but yeah. Anyway, now let's go to the next planet, Mercury. Do you know that Mercury is the only planet that have a tail? Not like a dog's tail, like a tail that is like a tail, like a comet tail. You know what I mean? Hopefully. Anyways, Mercury is also have the most craters than any other planet in the solar system. I don't even know how much craters does Mercury have. Oh! Anyways, sorry for the giant scream, but Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system. Only 1 year takes 88 days, while 1 year on Earth only takes 365 days. Oh my goodness, that's so much days. Anyways, sorry. Now let's go to the hardest planet, Venus. You might be thinking, I thought that Mercury is the hottest planet. Well, Venus' atmosphere have a giant, make it like a blanket. It's so hot that it traps in the heat. Well, Mercury doesn't have any atmosphere. I mean, it does, but it's so thin that you can barely even see the atmosphere. Most people say that Mercury doesn't even have an atmosphere. And also, yeah, you want to hear a joke? Us. If when you go to Venus, you bring the entire family. Okay. I hope that make you laugh. Anyway, now let's go to home planet Earth. Earth is the only planet that have life. Earth is also the only planet that have water. Yeah. And also, do you know that a long time ago, Earth was a giant, like a lava ball, but slowly it cooled down and become into the Earth we know and we love today. Earth have one moon named, the moon. But its real name is called Luna. It takes 365 years for the Earth to orbit around the Sun. So that means this is 1 year per second and 365 years per second. Okay. So remember that remember that I told you Wait, I don't even know if I said that. Sorry, but yeah. Yeah, remember that I told you? I said that you can fit 1 million Earths inside of the sun? Well, don't get surprised. Don't get surprised and make your brain explode because actually there's because you can fit actually the Earth Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Surprising, right? Now let's go to Earth's moon, aka Luna. Do you know why the moon changes its shape? Like earlier that was full, like the entire and then it goes like half. I mean, it's not perfectly half. Well, this is because of moon phases. The moon have 8 different kinds of phases. We call these phases. 4 of these phases are called waxing, and 4 of these phases are called waning. Waxing and waning means big and small. Now let's go to Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system, and the fourth planet in the solar system. Mars also have 2 tiny moons. They're so tiny that you can probably hold them in your hand. Okay, you cannot hold them in your hand, but yeah, it's pretty close. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, Mars is also called the red planet. Not because it has many red, but Mars is also made of iron and dust. Now let's go to Phobos. Phobos is one of the smallest moons in our solar system, and Deimos is the second smallest. Is also one of the smallest. Phobos is gonna crash into Mars, and Deimos is gonna be escaping Mars. Now let's go to Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet in our solar system. Ceres, visit. Okay, so this is Ceres, our tiny friend. Ceres is so small that if you put that on a solar system map, you'll probably forget about Ceres. That's how tiny Ceres is. Ceres is classified as a dwarf planet. Dwarf means tiny. So that means the dwarf planet means small planet. To be a planet, you need to orbit around the sun, have enough mass to be spherical, and you need to make sure that nothing you need to have no asteroids and comets around your planet. Since Ceres have that, Ceres is classified as a dwarf planet. It's been classified as a dwarf planet in 2006. So, yeah. This is the end. This is not the end. So, but also, Ceres is the only dwarf planet in the asteroid belt. Asteroids are many tiny asteroids that spin around the sun. And also, Ceres is not only a dwarf planet, but an asteroid. But most people say it's a dwarf planet, mostly because, yeah. Do you know that the other asteroids like Vesta, Pallas, and Ceres of those planets. Well, yeah. But they've been changed into a dwarf planet. They've been changed into asteroids. That because they realized that there's way too much planets. So that means we can get a new category called asteroids. Anyways, bye.